hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start chapter 5, A Smile.
Kids, do you like to be happy and keep smiling all the time? Or you like to be angry and sad? I think everyone loves being happy. You know, a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. It makes us very beautiful. So kids, let's recite this poem. You can recite with me. So let's start. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. And when it's gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. And when it's gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. And so one smile makes two. Now children, let's know summary of this poem. A smile.
A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face.
Smile is funny thing as it bring wrinkles to your face. Wrinkles means small lines.
And when it's gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place.
It means nobody knows where smile hide itself, okay?
But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two.
The essential feature of smile is that whenever you smile at someone, the person will definitely smile back. Okay? बच्चों, स्माइल का मतलब होता है मुस्कुराहट. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. इसमें स्माइल को, मुस्कुराहट को फनी कहा गया है. फनी मतलब मज़ेदार, क्योंकि जैसे आप मुस्कुराते हो, आपके चेहरे पे अचानक से लाइंस आ जाती हैं, रिंकल्स आ जाते हैं. एंड व्हेन इट्स गॉन you'll never find its secret hiding place. इसका मतलब है, और जैसे ही स्माइल जाती है, आपको पता भी नहीं चलता वो कहाँ चली गई, क्योंकि वो अपने सीक्रेट हाइडिंग प्लेस में छुप जाती है. सीक्रेट मतलब होता है जो किसी को मालूम नहीं हो. हाइडिंग प्लेस मतलब छुपने की जगह. बट फार मोर वंडरफुल इट इज़ टू सी व्हाट स्माइल्स कैन डू. इसका मतलब है स्माइल जो है बहुत सारी अमेजिंग चीज़ें कर जाती है. जैसे यू स्माइल एट वन, ही स्माइल्स एट यू. आप किसी को भी स्माइल करोगे, वो पर्सन भी आपको स्माइल बैक करेगा. ऐसा होता है ना? आपने ऐसा किया है कभी कि आपने किसी को स्माइल किया हो और उस पर्सन ने भी वापस से स्माइल किया हो? एंड सो वन स्माइल मेक्स टू. और एक स्माइल जो है वो बहुत सारी और स्माइल्स बना देती है. चिल्ड्रेन, लेट्स सी सम राइमिंग वर्ड्स अराइव्ड इन द पोम.
Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar
A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face, and when it's gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place. So, children, can you tell me here which are the rhyming words? Correct. Face and place are the two rhyming words that have same or similar ending sound. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. Children, find out another rhyming words here. Correct. To and do are the two rhyming words that have the same or similar ending sound. Children, now in this poem we have some new words. Let's find out what are these words and their meaning. First word is secret. S-E-C-R-E-T. Secret. It means something that is not to be known by other people. Kids, have you ever said this to your friend? Like, shh, it's our little secret. Don't tell to anyone else. Second word is wrinkle. WRINKLES. Wrinkles. It means small lines formed on face due to folding of skin. Children, have you ever seen wrinkles on your grandparents? My grandma has lots of wrinkles on her face. Now, children, let's discuss some questions. Tell me, why is a smile a funny thing? Correct. A smile is a funny thing because it wrinkles up our face. But when it's gone, no one can find its hiding place. What happens when you smile at someone? Think, students. Correct. When we smile at someone, we get a smile in return. So, a smile doubles. When we smile, we'll make someone else smile. Kids, a warm smile is the universal language of kindness. So, kids, always remember to keep smiling when you are talking to others. It will help you to make lots and lots of new friends too. Now it's riddle time. Children, tell me, which is the longest word in the world? Guess what's it? Smiles. Yes, but how? Because there is a mile between two S's. Isn't it funny? Now, kids, listen the instructions very nicely. On section page, you have to draw a beautiful smiley. Don't forget to mention homework and date. Now, children, come to next page. On first line, right hand side, mention class work. Change the line, write chapter 5. On next line, write chapter's name, that is a smile. Now come to next line, write new words. Children, divide the page into two equal parts. Another side, write homework. Now leave the line and first word is wrinkles. Second word is secret. Third word is hiding place. Children, now at last leave a line and you have to do double underlining. Remember, always use a ruler for underlining. After new words, change the page. On right hand side, mention class work. On next line, one side write word and other side write meaning. First word is wrinkles. Its meaning is small lines on face or skin. Second word is secret. Its meaning is something that is not to be known by other people. Children, leave one line and at last you have to do double underlining. Children, use a ruler for underlining. Kids, do your work in very good cursive handwriting.
So children, that's it for today. Stay home, stay safe and keep smiling. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.